No problem. Perfect. Job well done.
Oh,
And that's what? An 11?
A tenner.
if it's a German car, it's a 10.
It's a 10.
This is a surprisingly similar system to BMW.
Same school of engineering?
German.
Mm. I think there's one at the very bottom as well.
Of course. I mean, why wouldn't there be another one?
Right next to the sump. No less. So, last of the Mohicans.
I'm sure. There. So. I mean, sure. I mean, the gearbox is wet.
Yeah.
We are going to wash this, of course. But I don't think this is the problem, the cause of the clutch slipping.
Right.
Which means, put this thing down and help me with this. We need to get the cage down.
Alright. See you after.
So, as we can see, the clutch components are still in excellent condition. Flex plate is nice. However, if you look at the gearbox, I think the seal here is leaking.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no indication of why the clutch was a bit weird. This is still fine. But we're going to clean everything anyway. It's clean enough for me. What do you think?
No, I'm just asking if you're gonna leave it to see where it's leaking from.
We're not going to see this.
Too slow?
Probably here, somewhere.
Mm.
Yeah, but you can see this only during operation. After finding nothing wrong, we're putting everything back together again. Cleaned, of course.
And hopefully correctly.
Are you doubting me? Special tool for centering the clutch. Okay, now let's see if our aim was correct. By the way, holy fuck is this light? Our aim was correct. There we go. some overtouch.
Ah.
By the way,
Yeah.
we need to adjust some clearances.
You don't say.
I don't think this is supposed to be this wobbly. Of course, this is this one. These ones are under pressure.
Yeah.
But still, this is too wobbly, probably. We're going to adjust the valve clearances if necessary. Yeah.
And who says whether it's necessary or not?
Not me. I have a specialist.
Yeah, you have a specialist.
I have a specialist. He will come and take a look at the engine.
All right.